In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using Convertkit, an email marketing platform that helps you build and manage your subscriber list, create automated email sequences, and send targeted emails to your audience. Let's get started. Click on the first link, which is given in the video description, that will redirect you to Convertkit. Click on Start Your Free Trial button. Now create your account. Enter your name, email, and password. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Get Started. Now Convertkit will welcome you and ask you if you are using any marketing tools in your business. For now, let's start from the beginning. Click No, I am just starting out. Then click Continue. Now it will ask about your reach, like how many followers you have on your website, subscribers on YouTube, etc. Let's click the first option, 1 to 1000. Then click Continue. Now it will ask you about yourself. What is your business or brand name called? It will tell you that the below entered business name will reflect on your profile, so be careful while filling out the form. Then click Continue. Now choose your custom domain. Now select what kind of creator you are. Let's select YouTube and then click Continue. It will not ask you what you have to achieve after coming to Convertkit. Let's select Send Emails and click Continue. This is the last step to creating your account. Enter your website link and social media platform links. Then click Continue. You have successfully created your account on Convertkit. You can see now that you are on the dashboard page. Your name will appear on the right side of the page. You can see 5 options that are present at the top of the page. Firstly, let's explore Grow. On the top, you can see different tabs for all the different features that you have to build your email marketing. So right now we are on the Grow tab, and here you can see there is a subscriber option. Through this option, you can check the activities of your subscribers, like how many people have signed up for your email list. And through landing pages and forms, as the name says, we can build our landing pages and forms. The creator profile is the profile of the person who is making forms. And through your creator network, you can find partners and help each other grow together, but this feature is in its beta stage. Now we have the Send tab, and in this tab there are 4 features through which we can send emails. The first one is the broadcast feature, and through this feature, we have to just send an email once. Then we have email templates that we can use. And then you can send emails in sequence. Snippets are just ways to reuse your email content. On the automation, we can use ham-like automations, add some rules if we want, and also integrate our Convertkit account with another account. So to automate our email accounts, it's pretty cool. On the earnings page, we can sell products, like giving the audience a way to send you a tip for your content, and you can also watch your payouts. So let's try to find out how to create an email. In this case, we are going to create a single email like a broadcast. So let's just go to Send and then Broadcast, and from this page we can easily create and manage all the stuff. Let's click on Create New Broadcast, and the first step you need to do is choose templates that you like. These are all free. Let's try this one. Then we are on the editor page, and from here we can manage or edit every single thing for our email. We can also edit or change images by just clicking on them. Now to edit image, just click on the image and these options will appear. It's pretty easy to do so. Let's edit this quickly. So after you edit your template, simply click Continue. Now you can see the sender address, which is your address, that is written over here, and then you have to choose your subscribers. If you don't have one, just add it by clicking Add Filter. To send this broadcast, you must have at least one subscriber. If you don't have one, just input the details before creating a campaign. When do you want to send it? You can send it now or schedule it. We can also add a preview tab and an internal tool. Sometimes it would be really interesting to look at those. If you want, you can also upload it to your public feed. Now everything is done, and you can send it to your subscribers. In my case, I don't have any subscribers, so I have to add them. But everything is done, just click Continue. Now let's create a landing page. To create that, simply go to the Grow tab and then click Landing Pages and Forms. And from here, click on Create New, and then click on Landing Page. As you can see, they have a bunch of different templates, and you can also filter them from here. So let's create a template using the Archer template. So the very first thing you need to do is change the name of the form. Let's name it Landing Forms. Now let's go and customize everything. Let's change this heading template to get our subscription. From here, we can change its color, size, and spacing. And if we go to General Styles, from here we can change the font. Let's go with Rubik. And from here, we can change the background image. Let's go with this one only. And from here, you can change the body background and page background. In some cases, you want someone's email address and name too. To create a namespace here, we just have to click on the plus button, which is present over here. Now select this first name portion that is present over here. Now swipe first name above email. If you look at the bottom, you will see Copyright 2020. Let's change it to 2023. Now let's just do some final editing. Now we will create a thank you page. And for that, we simply have to click on this Add Page button. Then change the company name, let's go with Brain K. Then write the leaving message. Let's say, you will get updates soon. Now you have successfully created a landing page using Convertkit. So now, let's go to the Automate section and see how we can create automation. To create that, first go to Automate section, then go to Visual Automations. Now click on Templates. And from here you can choose your genre. We are making this first time, so let's start from the beginning. So, let's say you want to send an email series to automatically send for you when someone subscribes to your landing page. So first, let's click Join a Form and click on Create a New Form or Landing Page. Now, it's asking where to gather your audience. Let's click Landing Page. Now, choose templates which you like. So now, edit this page as we did while creating landing page. You can play along with the tools and features to get the best output. I suggest looking through all of the fonts. They have excellent fonts. Once you are done with it, now you set up an automatic incentive email that will send for you the minute someone clicks on your call to action button to subscribe. Then, click Save when you are all done. Now click on the plus button. Then, select Action button. click on Sequence and write your newly created form name. Once it's done, click on the folder from here. From here, you can edit your email content. You can add as many subscribers you want. Now when it's all done, click on the Live button to publish that. It is asking to turn automation on as we have 0 subscribers. Let's turn that on. So, now let's talk about this learning section. So, in this section, you can read the documentation for helpful tutorials. And if you have any questions, you can ask them through this community button. It's better to do so, as it keeps your engagement with your subscribers. And in Creator University, it contains training videos and a tutorial on how to use Convertkit. Like this course will teach you how to build a connection with audience. And in this course, you can learn how to operate an online business successfully. And through this course, you can learn how to sell your products efficiently. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.